Hi, this is Theresa here at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Bradenton, Florida. This is a 2015 Fiat 500L. This is a nice little vehicle, black in color with the white top. This is a one owner. Inside it does have the two-tone black and tan, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have heated seats, and it does have the lumbar, leather, very nice. It's got the huge moonroof and seating for 3 in the back, and the whole back does lay down totally flat. It does have the large 7-inch screen with navigation, AM, FM, satellite radio. This is an automatic transmission. Very nice vehicle, Bluetooth, voice recognition. This vehicle only has 82,600 miles on it. And if you'd like more information, please call Theresa here at Firkins. You can reach me at 941-807-1165. Really nice vehicle. Don't wait, it'll be gone.